Hello guys, we're back again with another video for you. This is Fistock Biztalk, where we give you tips on any business you might consider starting. My name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma, and we have been doing a series of the hardware business. We talked about 5 trends that are happening in the hardware business. We also talked about how to start a hardware business. We also give you 5 tips that you need to consider before starting a hardware business. And today we're going to do a very important topic. We are going to talk about 5 challenges that the people in the hardware business are facing, especially in Kenya. One of the challenges that people in the hardware business are facing is competition. There are people who have already established themselves in the hardware business, and they pose as the major challenge to the people who are starting. And keeping up with this competition has become a very huge challenge for small starters.
And the best thing you can do for this challenge is not to compete with them in terms of maybe skill. You can look for maybe what people want in the market. You can do your own research, and we actually did a video about this. You can look for what people want right now rather than focusing on building or importing a lot of products. You can focus on maybe importing quality and unique products. That is going to give you a chance in competing in the market.
Yes. Another challenge that people in the hardware business are facing is the cost of raw materials. So you find that in the hardware business, you deal with things like copper, aluminium, and steel. And these things, they are very hard to find. And once you find them, their prices are very high. And you find that because of the fluctuations in the market, this becomes a major challenge for people who want to invest in the hardware business. So another challenge that is being faced in the hardware business is the regulatory compliance, where there are laws that have been put to most of the laws. Actually, when you invest in the hardware business, you have to check the health and the safety of the customers. So you have to have some licenses that go in hand in checking the safety of the customers.
Yeah, it is very important. We talked this in the first video of the hardware business. You need to have these licenses so that you can have a smooth experience with the government and the law.
So when it comes to regulations, you really have to be observant, because otherwise you find yourself in the wrong side of law, and this can have very dire consequences on your business, and it will also ruin your reputation.
So you have to make sure that you have the necessary licenses to make sure that your business is running without any problem.
Yes. Another challenge that the hardware business is facing is economic downturns, where you find that actually the economy of Kenya right now is in a very bad state, and everyone is complaining. So if someone is owning a hardware business, you find that they are facing a lot of challenges, especially in capital, and you find that turnout of the customer is low because actually the customers don't have money, and you find they are not even making profit. So that is one of the challenges that they are facing.
So this comes to the supply and demand chain. You will find that there is low demand. People are not demanding the product a lot, and maybe even your suppliers, because they don't have a lot to get from. They don't have enough raw materials to supply to their customers.
So you find that the business is becoming stagnant. And actually I have found that most people, they are closing down their businesses. It's not because they want, but because of the economy downturn. So you find that they don't have another option.
And this is affecting every area, because you can look even at consuming products. The prices have gone very high. So
it is really a big challenge.
It's a big challenge.
So that is it for the 5 challenges that the hardware business is facing. I know there are many other challenges, but we could not cover them for that short period of time we had. But if you have another challenge that you know that they are facing, leave it in the comment sections. We'll be sure to read it out in our next video. And thank you for tuning in. And make sure at the end of this video, you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video,
you can be notified. We also offer some courses at Fistock University College that can help you grow your business into a multi-millionaire business.
And actually before that, at Fistock University, I noticed we talked about, in another video we had been talking about people are diversifying where they are offering services. I noticed that they are offering services like CCTV installation. So if someone really wants to let's say you have a hardware and you have been selling CCTVs and other cameras and other household related items, and you don't know how to install a CCTV, and you want your business to go beyond what other people know.
Yeah.
Like it's just not a normal hardware. You can be learning these courses actually.
Yeah, and they are very affordable, and it's not does not take a lot of time.
Just 1 month.
So just a 1 month course, and you learn a lot of things that your competitors will not be doing.
Yeah.
So make sure you visit our website www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can email us at info@finstockuniversity.com.
Yeah, or they can call us at 0703 313 722.
Yeah. So until next time,
Goodbye.
bye.